Okay, guys, so you're going to be planning your Thanksgiving dinner today. And in front of you, kind of to share and reference, nice color copies, you're going to see your choices in food, main courses, sides, drinks, and desserts. Okay. And then you're going to do a planning sheet. And I actually think, yes, it goes right in this order, just like this. So you're going to do budget and number of guests. Everybody's budget is $130 and everybody's guest is 10. You're allowed $130 and you're allowed to invite 10 guests. Okay, so fill that in right now. If you need to pause it, go ahead and pause it and then fill it in. And then it says, are you ready to plan your Thanksgiving dinner? You've been told that you have to stick to a budget, $130. You can be in charge of planning the menu. You've been given the budget to follow, $130. This means you have a certain amount of money to spend and you cannot spend over it. So if you're doing a total and you find that you're spending more than $130, you got to change something out to a cheaper item. Okay? So the first thing you need to do is choose your main course. Everybody must be able to have a main course. Not everybody has to have the same main dish, but there needs to be at least 10 servings total to make sure that everybody eats. So, for example, if I want to serve turkey, well, that's all I have to do. I can just circle the turkey and it's going to be $24.50. But say I don't like turkey, okay? I want ham. Ham is my favorite. So, but ham you only get 8 servings out of. So I either need to get 2 hams to make enough for 8 people to eat, or I need to do ham and one other one, okay? So that's your choice. You could do ham and fish. You could do ham and turkey. You could do 2 hams. If you do fish, you can't just do 2 fish because that's still only 6 servings. You can't even do 3 fish because that's 9. You're going to have to do 4 fish if you only want to serve fish, okay? So you pick which one you want to serve. Make sure you get 10 servings. Then you're going to circle 3 side dishes. Be sure to check the serving size. You must have enough of each side dish for everyone. Okay, so like where the main dish, not everybody has to eat it. You only need 10 total for the whole main dishes. The side dishes, you've got to have enough for everybody to eat it. So, for example, if you choose cranberries, you need to pick up 2 cranberries to make 10 because 5 plus 5 is 10. If you're going to do corn, you need 4 because 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, and you still don't have enough for everybody to eat corn, so you have to do 1 more to get, and you're going to have leftovers, but that's okay, 12, okay? So think that through and pick 3 side dishes, making sure that you have enough that everybody eats that side dish, okay? And some of these get tricky because you have like $4.20. If you need 3, you need 4 of those because it's only 3 servings. That's 4 and then $4.20 4 times to figure out the total amount of money spent on that. So, okay. Choosing your drinks. Everyone must have a drink. Not everybody has to drink the same drink. Kind of same as that first main dish. So if you decide to do apple cider, it serves 6. You're going to need to do 2 apple cider so you have enough for everyone to have apple cider. Or you could do apple cider and hot chocolate because 6 plus 4 is 10. That'd give you enough servings for everyone. Fancy cider, if you want to do fancy cider, it's only 2 servings. So you either need to do 5 fancy ciders or you could do like an apple cider, which is 6, and then fancy cider, you would need to do 2 more because that would give you your 10, okay? Then choosing dessert. Everybody must have 1 dessert. Not everybody has to have the same thing, but there must be at least 10 servings total. So same as the main dishes, same as the drinks. Everybody has to have 1 dessert. So in each of these, like the pumpkin cookies, those serve 1. So if you want everybody to eat the same dessert, you need 10 servings of pumpkin cookies. But the apple pie serves 8 people. So you might decide you want an apple pie and then 2 cookies so that you have 10 total. Okay, so that is there. So this is what you're going to fill out after you circle all your things. So circle what you want and then come down here and you're going to put, say I decided I wanted ham and fish. Okay, I was gonna do 1 ham for $22, 1 fish for $18.50. I'm gonna put ham, number of servings. My ham serves 8, so I'm gonna put 8, quantity 1. I only need 1 for my 8. Price, how much was our ham? $22. I'm gonna put $22 in there, and then total $22 for my ham. Now here's where the total might end up being different. Say I decided I want to do 2 hams, okay, instead of fish. I'm like, yeah, fish is not for Thanksgiving, ham. So I'm going to say ham, number of servings. I have 8 servings per ham. Quantity, I'm going to need 2. So my price is $22, but my total is going to be $44 because 22 plus 22 is 44. Okay, so it's going to take a lot of thinking. All right. Then when you got all of your items listed, making sure you have enough for everybody, you can figure out the total amount of money you spent by adding up this total column. Okay. If you get done with that, you've got some reflection questions you can do. So if I were you, I would pause, work on that, and then re-listen to the reflection questions. So hopefully you found your total. How much money did you have in your budget? Everybody's answering this the same, $130. How much money did you spend in all? This is going to be different for everyone. Did you have any money left over in your budget? Was there any, did you spend less than $130? If so, put yes. If no, put no. And if you did put yes, how much money did you have left over? Was it hard to stick to $130? Why or why not? Did you go over budget? Did you have to switch out foods? Was this activity hard? Why or why not? If you said yes, what part was the hardest? And would you do anything differently next time when you're planning your Thanksgiving dinner? Okay, so if you get this all done and you show it to me, I would like to see how you planned out your dinner. Happy planning!